I'm going to give you a little demonstration on this Levin's lathe that I own for a while now. I've done clock making or watch repair. It comes in very, very handy. It's super accurate. I don't think you'll find a lathe more accurate than this little machine. They're noted for their accuracy and tolerance, holding tolerances. Probably today this machine probably is a little over $30,000. Well, it's probably more than that. Anyway, let's talk about this machine. This machine has a foot pedal that operates several different things. Actually, three things. The foot pedal operates the lathe itself, the auxiliary motor, which is for line boring, gear cutting, grinding, boring, and this speed control box controls the two operating lathe parts, the motor and the auxiliary, and also if you want a lubricating pump, it also operates that. Okay, let's go to the lathe itself. The lathe has a heavy-duty two-way slide, very expensive piece of equipment, and it has a quick change tool holder. This machine was purchased in the 70s and never saw any work at all, besides cutting a few gears, line boring a few things for watches. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to give you a little demonstration. Most of these lathes, they get worked to death and they really earn their money. This one never got abused. It runs very quiet. The others that seem to be abused for years and years and years, they sound more like coffee grinders. Okay, this one, I'm going to give you a little demonstration. I have it turned down all the way. Oh, and another thing is the foot pedal has a automatic brake. As soon as you take your foot off the foot pedal, it will stop immediately. Now, I'm going to turn it on at a very slow rate. I don't know if you can hear that. You might, most of them sound like coffee makers, the ones that have been abused in production factories. I'm going to turn up the RPMs now. That's only about a third of the way. Let's go a little higher. That's about 3/4 of the way. I would say she's runs nice and quiet and smooth. There she is, all the way opened up, which I doubt you'll ever go to that speed. Okay, now we're going to go to the auxiliary motor. Up here we have the auxiliary motor. This is great for cutting gears with a milling attachment. I'm going to turn up the speed a little bit, and here we go. Watch the pulley. Oh, it's working. Okay. Let's turn up the speed. That's all the way, and I don't think you can hear it. I'm going to take my foot off the pedal. I'm going to put it back on. Anyway, if you want more information on this particular lathe, you can find me at clockwatch.com, or you can go to my email. It's waynevv@clockwatch.com. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.